Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Rocket League name. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your name in Rocket League, then there are multiple ways in order to do that according to your launcher that you are using. Since I've been using my Epic Games account, in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your name for Rocket League using Epic Games. But do not worry at all. If you're using some other game launchers, the process is quite simple. To change your Rocket League's name, if you're using Epic Games, simply open up a web browser and type in epicgames.com into the search box and make sure that you're logged into your Epic Games account. Once you're logged into your Epic Games account, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner from the main interface. Now, tap on your name at the bottom and tap on account from the expanded menu. Soon after you open up your account settings page, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon right next to your display name and type in a new name you'd like to set for your account. Confirm the new name by retyping it again in the next field. And remember that once you proceed with this, you won't be able to change your display name again for 2 weeks. Check the little box at the bottom and tap on confirm. Soon after you do that, you can now go and open up your Rocket League game and you'll be able to change your name right away. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.